In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Elementor page. This is a straightforward process, whether you're wanting to back up your design, transfer it to another site, or share it with a client or collaborator. By exporting your Elementor page template, you ensure that all the customizations and settings you've meticulously crafted are safely stored in a portable format that you or someone else can easily use later on. To begin, you'll first need to open the page you'd like to export within the Elementor editor. Access your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the specific page. You'll find an option to edit with Elementor. Click this to load the editor interface. Once you have your page open in Elementor, you'll notice the Update or Publish button at the bottom of the panel on the left. To the right of this button, there's an arrow icon which may not immediately catch your eye. Click this arrow and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Save as Template. This step is crucial, as it allows you to save the page configuration in a format that can then be exported. A prompt will appear, asking you for a name. Type in something memorable or relevant to the content or purpose of this page, as this will be how you identify it later. After entering the name, click Save, and you'll have successfully saved your page as a template within Elementor. With the template saved, the next step takes place in the WordPress admin area. Navigate to the Elementor section on the left-hand menu and click on Templates. Under Templates, you'll find a subsection named Saved Templates. Click this, and it will display a list of all the page templates you've saved, including the one you just named. Now, you want to export the template you've saved. Look through the list of templates to find the one that you named earlier. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over its entry in the list, and you'll see several options appear beneath it. Click on the one that says Export Template. By doing this, you initiate the download, and the template will be saved to your computer as a JSON file. And there you have it. With these steps, your Elementor page is neatly packed into a handy JSON file ready to be imported elsewhere or kept safely as a backup. Remember, having this file means that you can restore or share your hard work with ease, ensuring the creative effort you've invested can be preserved or utilized in new projects whenever you need. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel confident in managing your Elementor designs efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.